My enzyme knowledge is probably pretty rudimentary. I know that they're good for you, and I know that you need them, and you lose them over time, but I don't know exactly how they function.
There's a lot of mystery surrounding enzymes when it really shouldn't be. They're very simple to understand. You need them, they need to be present, they need to be in the cell for the cell to work, you need them for health. Everyone needs supplemental enzymes, they just don't know it. I'm Dr. Fuller, and I'm an enzyme specialist for the last 35 years. For doctors who didn't know anything about enzymes at the beginning, we would put an enzyme in oatmeal. The enzyme would break the oatmeal down, and they would see the oatmeal go to this very liquid base. And this one certainly isn't, you know. If you take in food that you can't break down, then those foods become problems. And what if it's the very best foods you can eat, but your body can't break it down? This is what this high-quality digestive enzyme does. It helps us digest our food properly. Okay, now let's see what you show us. So what you're seeing are your red blood cells. Do you see this sticking out over here?
Yeah, what is that?
It's plaque. You've heard about plaque, the plaque in arteries. Well, when you have plaque, that is inflammation. So the cells are kind of moving around, but they're a little bit stuck together, you see. See, here's this red blood cell that's moving. We would like more movement. Okay, and so we see some toxins in here. And what did you eat?
Just vegetables and fruits.
Which we all consider to be good food, do we not? You know, but even vegetables, even things like this can be a problem for us to break down carbohydrates. So that's what enzymes are all about. They'll help you digest your food. They'll get your red blood cells moving with more oxygen. And then a very important thing, they can get rid of the waste. So we're going to suggest that you take something that will help you at the cell.
And then a half hour later, you see the difference that taking the enzymes makes. That was really powerful.
Cells are moving more freely now. Great white blood cells, you see they're everywhere. By doing that, you also shouldn't have the buildup of plaque. And so the blood's moving more. So what I'm seeing here is you dropped a lot more toxins.
To see it visually, I think, makes a big difference.
It could change the blood so quickly.
Like, we're much more likely to undertake any new amazingly healthy habit if we can see physically the effects, which is, you know, absolutely what happened here.
That's why we take enzymes on a regular basis, so that they can keep everything flowing properly and they can get the nutrients where the nutrients need to go.
I intend to take them, you know, every meal from now on. I'm going to preach enzymes, I swear I am.
When we come into this world, we come in as one cell. So everything is about the cell. How important are enzymes to the cell? Without the enzymes, the cell can't live. How can you say anything could be greater than enzymes? I do not know as a scientist how you could.